So welcome student. ठीक है. In the last lecture we have started types of chromosome. ठीक है, जिसमें हमने homologous और non homologous chromosomes को सीखा था. ठीक है. Now we will understand the types of chromosome depending upon the position of the centromere. ठीक है. The first type of chromosome depending upon the position of centromere are called as a metacentric chromosomes. Here you can see the centromere is present at the center of the chromosome. Here this is the center of the chromosome where the centromere is present, because of which both the arms are almost of equal length of the chromosome, and hence if we pull the chromosome from the centromere, it takes a V shape. ठीक है, and that is why metacentric chromosomes are also called as V-shaped chromosomes. ठीक है. Then, if the centromere is a little away from the center, then we call it as a submetacentric chromosome, like this, where one arm is smaller and the other one is comparatively longer. Okay? Then such type of chromosome is called as submetacentric chromosome. Okay? And now if this chromosome is pulled, okay, during the anaphase and pulled from the centromere, okay, it appears to be the L shaped of the English alphabet, and hence this one is also called as a L-shaped chromosome. Okay. The third type of a chromosome, depending upon the position of the centromere, okay, can be acrocentric chromosome, where one arm or the centromere is almost near the telomere. Okay. And such chromosome is called as a acrocentric chromosome. Okay. If you pull it, okay, from the centromere, it take a peculiar J-shaped, okay, and that is why these chromosomes are called as a J-shaped chromosomes. Okay. Finally, there are I-shaped chromosome, where the centromere is present at the telomere. Okay, that means at the end of the chromosome. Okay. Such chromosomes are called as telocentric chromosomes. Okay. And if they are pulled by centromere, okay, they appear like a English alphabet I, and hence called as I-shaped chromosomes. Okay. So these are types of chromosomes depending upon the position of the centromere. Okay. The next topic in this contest is the euploidy and aneuploidy. Okay. So genetic constitutions or ploidy level of a chromosomes. The ploidy level of a chromosome, it varies from organism. Number of chromosomes in a cell varies from species to species. Okay, or we can say number of chromosomes is fixed for a particular species, and it is a defining characteristic of a particular species. For example, in human beings, in a normal autosomal cell, it is 2n is equal to 46. Okay, that means there are two sets of chromosomes. ठीक है. present in a particular living organisms. ठीक है, and such organism is called as a diploid. So ploidy can be divided into two types. ठीक है, there can be euploidy, ठीक है, and aneuploidy. ठीक है, if the complete set of chromosome is present, ठीक है, then we called it as a euploid. ठीक है, and there can be haploid, diploidy. ठीक है, only one set of chromosomes is present in a diploid organisms. ठीक है, two sets of chromosomes are present. ठीक है, similarly there are triploids, tetraploids and ठीक है multiploids are present. ठीक है, aneuploidy where the complete set is not present. ठीक है, and it can be of two types. ठीक है, the one is called as a hyperploidy and the other one is called as a hypoploidy. If the number of chromosomes are missing in a euploid individual, then that is called as a hyperploidy. For example, 2n plus 1, ठीक है, or 2n plus 2 can be considered as a hyperploidy. At the same time, 2n minus 1 or 2n minus 2 and so on can be considered as a hypoploidy. ठीक है, 2n minus 1 is also a clear case of a monosomy. ठीक है, whereas this one is a clear case of a trisomy. ठीक है, this one is a case of a nullisomy. ठीक है, that means a particular chromosome is absent. ठीक है, a particular chromosome is present only once in a diploid set of chromosome, or here a complete pair of chromosome is present twice. ठीक है, so trisomy, nullisomy, ठीक है, और monosomy are the cases of aneuploidy. ठीक है, in the further segment we will understand the different disorders due to the aneuploidy, where this concept will you will better understand this concept. ठीक है, so these are some of the concepts related to the chromosomes. ठीक है, in the next segment we will understand the linkages, ठीक है, which are related to the same thing. Thank you.